Inantok tayo for today's video. Kulang sa tulog pero it's a Sunday so kailangan natin mag-jogging. Nandito tayo sa UP Academic Oval. Nakapark lang natin so palit muna tayo ng pang-jogging. Let's go! Okay, tayo magpapalit. Di mahalaga, mahal kita maging sino ka man. Sarap matulog pag mga ganyan yung tugtugan. Jungle shorts time. Ready? Shoes na lang. We're done with our warm-up, so let's go ahead and start our jog doon mismo sa oval. So, kundi lakad na lang. Let's go. Second round, 4.4 kilometers. Let's push for the third round. Let's go. Okay, round 3, 6.6 kilometers. Let's push for round 4. Let's go. Fourth round, and that's 8.8 kilometers. Let's push for 10 kilometers. Let's go. Alright, and that's 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers, 56.51, 56 minutes and 51 seconds. Not bad.